Let's move to the another feature of Java. Java is a multi-threaded language. What do you mean by multi-threading means? Multi-threading means in Java you can write or execute the code simultaneously on multiple threads. Means simultaneously you can execute multiple tasks. You can achieve multitasking in Java easily by using this concept called multi-threading. Okay, how this multi-threading works, how we can implement multi-threading in Java, we are going to learn this topic in detail in upcoming classes. But as of now you just need to know, okay, Java, this is one of the feature of Java. Java is a multi-threaded language. Let's discuss another feature of Java, which is known as Java is an object oriented language. What do you mean by object oriented language? Object oriented language means a programming language where you represent each and everything by objects. Okay, you are going to create the object. Objects are nothing but the memory containers in Java, and those are used to represent the real world entities. We are going to learn it in detail when we will start OOPS, but as of now for you it's enough to know that objects are basically memory containers, and those are used to represent real world entity. And when we create the objects, when we create those memory containers in any programming language, then that programming language is considered as object oriented programming language. Okay, additionally, any programming language where you implements oops features, that also known as object oriented programming language. In Java we implement all the oops features such as encapsulation, inheritance, association, abstractions. All those features makes this programming as an object oriented programming language.